Alexa. Hey, Alexa. Play Born to be Bottles.
Hi.
Okay, Google. Play Born to be Bottles. Hey, Siri.
Hi.
Turn device off.
What?
Friendly fire!
What the heck? Hi.
Hey, if it worked for me, that means it must have worked for some ruffians and autobots out there as well. You'll laugh.
What the heck? Hi.
I just blipped out of existence. Now I know how I can get out of here at any moment. Without lifting a finger.
Hi. Now my tummy hurts from laughing too hard. This is what you've done, Cecilia.
It's okay, I'll take that one. Oh, did you shelter?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, perfect. Let's go!
Let's go.